I'm doing if you bring in other sounds. You did it that one, but I'm just telling you, I can't.
Were you getting into it a little bit?
Well, I was getting into what I was doing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's my boy Joel back there.
What's up?
This is Brian Blaine.
Motherfuckers,
Pull up your mic and let's try to explain to the people what we're doing here.
Well, we're trying not
Besides the father-son kind of dynamic, which we're
trying real
on.
hard to not murder each other in the basement here.
Yeah.
But when people get older, younger people can take advantage of them and definitely murder them easier. But we're not going to mention...
we just murder the music.
Murder, She Wrote. Murder, She Wrote. Remember Angela Bassett? No, it wasn't Angela Bassett. Angela Lansbury.
That's very obscure, Joel, for someone your age.
Hey, listen, you know, you used to throw those old-timey movies in front of me at a very young age. You were like, Joel, in my day, we only had 2 movies on the telly. And
2 channels, right?
Whatever.
I said that, yeah.
So he's playing a MIDI pickup on his guitar, which is feeding into a MIDI looping station on Ableton, which then captures the MIDI and puts it into a certain bar length loop that is then feeding into my FM synthesizer.
As well as my synthesizer.
Yeah, but we're not going to... The thing is we don't really want to...
This is what mine sounds like.
Yeah, well, so he's got some
Just
fancy...
so you... Just so you'll know what
That's what you know. That's what I'll... Okay,
hey, isn't that something?
Oh my God, it really is something. See, the problem with his synthesizers, these are all great sounds created by a computer, and here I am trying to build things from scratch. So it doesn't sound as epic. And the fact is, it's just not produced, you know? So...
but you are in stereo now, at least.
Yeah, it's only took 15 years to get in stereo because every other
Show
time
them what yours sounds like now.
Okay, so if I turn... We're going for a little bit more of a dystopian, Blade Runner, bad heroin addiction sort of situation. But that's just, you know, after we've gone to the dark side.
And then I can crank it up with my guitar synth.
If I just take... another bank here, I'll just switch banks and maybe switch another pattern and see if maybe this is a little bit. This is just like a kick drum. So here we actually have something playing in the sequence, it sounds like, but okay, that's not working out. So let's go back here, maybe back over here. Here we got a lot of options. This is definitely... There we go. I call this sound 2049.
I call it a cello.
Yeah, well, you call everything either a cello or an organ. You know? This is your definitive FM synth sound with a filter on it. I like the sound of it, you know? Filter it a bit more. There we go. Coming in. There we go, FM synthesis.